So right now I am in one of my environment where I can see the old layout that we all are familiar with, where we see these documents. We can change between the different libraries. The navigation bar is here. The filter is on the right hand side and all that stuff. So as you can see, this is the old layout, right? Now let me switch to the new layout. So this is the new document library layout where you will see a nicely slick design, I will say, right? So the first thing what you will notice is in this old layout, we have this new and upload two different buttons. But in the new layout, we have one button that is called as create or upload. When I click on it, I have the different options. For example, I can create a new folder, file upload, folder upload, creating the different type of documents. If I want to create a clipchamp video and everything else is available, as well as I can also upload a new template if I want. The other thing which you will notice is the view, which is already having different views. Those are available in this particular document library. In this particular document library, I have created one extra view out of the one default view, which is called as all documents. The other view is gallery, right? So if I hover on this all documents view, there are only a couple of options which are available to me. For example, I can save this view. The save the view as, that means if I want to replicate or duplicate this view with another name, or if I want to rename this view, but nothing more can be done in this. But if I go and come on this side, these option buttons, and when I click on it, you will see some familiar pop out in here. That's how to change the layout of the view. It could be auto height, it could be tiled view, right? Anything can be changed from here. I can sort them, I can group by, let's say I want to group by, let's say type, right? So all are unassigned as a type. These are the document type, this is JSON file, these three are zip files. So all the changes can be done from here. The other thing is if I want to add a new view, I can just simply click on this button and I will be available with the familiar view. Basically familiar pop-up to create a view. I can create a view with the name, the calendar type view or the gallery type of view. I can make it that public or private. These particular options are different type of filters which are available in the view. This particular document library as in the new layout. So if I click on this word icon, word document icon, I can simply filter out those Word documents which are available in this particular document library. If I click on PowerPoint, I don't have any. But if I go and click on PowerPoint, I don't have any values. The same goes for PDF, Excel, and other types. And if I go and click on this particular button, then you will be provided with the familiar filter options that we also see in the old layout of the document library. Okay. The other options which we are seeing, this edit in grid view, shortcut to OneDrive, and all these things are coming on the top side of this particular document library or the document layout, I will say. That is add shortcut to OneDrive is coming up here. If I want to see the forms, those has been created, or if I want to create a new form that will be used by the users to upload the document with metadata into this particular document library, I can do that. So all these options are same as we have it earlier, and all the different options like for the automate, integration, sync to your file explorer, all options are coming under these three ellipses, right? If you notice this, there is one drop down in the name of this document library. When I hover over it or when I click on it, I see these four options. I can create a new folder, I can create files, I can upload folder, I can add a template. Those options are also available when I go and click on this create or upload, right? But some sort of options are available. These Word document, Excel, and all folders are all files are not available. All options are not available there. but somehow I'm not sure why they have hidden this in this way. Like if I want to jump to any other document libraries other than this, let's say I want to jump to this demo 123 document library, I can directly jump to that document library from here itself. I don't have to go into the site content and then again open the demo 123 document library. But it also has the same layout. If I select any of the item and when I click on details, this is your familiar view of viewing the item details that we already have in the model layout, but in the previous document library visualization or the visual layout. Okay. So yes, this is a very quick introduction about the new changes of these document library layouts into the SharePoint Online. And yes, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.